So here's how to check if your computer been hacked or someone been using your computer for malicious software. So first you just need to go to start menu, right click on it and click on run. Then here you just need to type MRT. Type MRT, click OK. This will open the Microsoft malicious software remover tool. You just need to click next and choose the quick scan, which will scan areas of the system and it will scan all of your computer and search for any malicious software is found. Click next and it will start to scan your computer. And after completing the scan, if there is no virus found, it will show you this. And if there is any malicious software found, it will show you to how to remove that and you can repair yourself. And it will show you how to remove that application and it will repair your computer. So just click finish. And the next step is just go to the start menu again, right click on it, go to run. Then here you need to type here NetElwiz, NATELWIZ. Click OK. And this will show you the account or user account that you've been using in your computer. So if you found any user account that you don't understand or you don't know, you can just remove that account. So just right click on it and you can remove it. Because I have only one account, so I cannot remove it. So if you found this any suspicious account that you don't know, you must remove it. So just remove, click apply and OK. And the last step is just go to the start menu again, go to settings, go to the apps option, then click on startup app. And these are the app when you start your computer. So if you found here any apps that you don't know and it's been running background in your computer, you should turn this off like this. So if it's turned on, just turn this off. And this could save your computer. So that's it guys. This is how you can tell if your computer has been hacked. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.